Hello guys, yep, it's me once again, and today I'm gonna show you my second bamboo train prototype. You'll see it's a bit lighter and much more comfortable, and of course bloody psychedelic. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update guys. So we actually got busted by a rail worker, which told us that this was private property. So riding rails is strictly forbidden in France. But as he saw our train, he couldn't say no. So he let us continue. Don't worry about it. So that's the way in France, it's forbidden. Now from a technical point of view, I still need larger wheels, which are going to be integrated in my third prototype. And yeah, that's it. Hit this like button, subscribe to the tribe if you haven't already. Oh yeah, and if you know where to find some large train wheels, put it in the comments. I'll be glad to read them. It's been another DerRiedi project. See you soon guys.